So to begin this stitch, when you start off a row, you want to make sure that you're keeping in counts in order to do it properly as far as the height. So using in trebles you would chain 4 to begin, but because it's the next one's gonna be a treble front post, is that you can only chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and that's because this stitch sits a little lower because you're using the front post. So to do a treble front post, you're going to wrap the hook twice as normal for a treble, and then coming into the next post and out the other side. Pull through 2, 2 and 2. So wrapping twice and coming into the next one, and you will see this from time to time in patterns. It's not all the time used, but this creates a nice textured look that you may enjoy. You do this all the way across, and you want to pay attention to that very last stitch because you're not gonna apply a treble front post in that one. On the very last turning chain you are only gonna apply a double crochet. So that equals the height of the chain 3 that you started with on the other side. So if you're ever doing this across, the last stitch must be a double crochet instead in the turning chain, and that gets you to the same height. So to turn your work, the first one is chaining only a 3, and then your next one here wrapping twice is in the front post. So you start your next one, and this creates the texture look that people enjoy in their projects. So because you're using the front post again, the texture then is gonna jump out the back, and this is used once in a while in crochet. So this is the treble front post crochet.